Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Now at the third place we have add watermark option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take a photo to see how this watermark looks like at the real picture. Now let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how my picture looks like with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it here. So we have HUAWEI P20 Pro Leica triple camera. And of course when we don't need it we have to move back to camera, then to right corner settings and just turn it off here from the right, so for now when we take another picture the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.